Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set your default portfolio screen on Etoro. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open your Etoro app, then go to the menu. And here in the menu you will have to scroll down to the settings option. And in the settings menu you will have to tap on the trading button. And here the first option that you will see is your portfolio screen. And as you can see, you have three options that you can set up. The first, the general, is the overview section. The second one is the chart section, which will show you a chart about your portfolio. And above that, the list of your investments. And the third one is the card view, which will show you these different card designs where you will see all your investments, either in stocks, commodities, or currencies, cryptocurrencies, and all of that. So that's how you can set up your portfolio page. Thanks for watching.